Good morning, Rosie.
Good more.
Rosie, you are coughing.
Coughing like a coughing.
Caillou, we're gonna buy some cough sweets for Rosie.
No, 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 no. I don't wanna buy sweets for my sister.
Well, tough. It's Rosie's only hope. Okay, Caillou, I'm gonna look around for some cough sweets. And if you misbehave, you will watch the news.
New.
Okay, bye.
Meanwhile, while Dad's gone, I will be the cashier and eat the sweets. But Boris will recognize me. I need a disguise.
Better. Now Boris won't recognize me. I added a fake mustache and glasses, and I even deepened my voice. Oh. I would like to pay for these cough sweets. Let me see if they're fresh. New, Rosie will be coughing forever. Well, good luck with that. Caillou, I saw a cashier, and he ate the sweets.
Well, what are you going to do?
Wait, I know that hairstyle. It was you all along.
New. Wow, it was probably Caillou's at level.
You deserve.
Wow.
Wait, it's reporting about a kid disguised as a cashier and he ate the cough sweets.
Wow.
Oh, Caillou, how dare you dress up as a cashier and eat the cough sweets? That's it, you're grounded. Grounded for life.
Wow.